To generate the videos used by FNC News that you all know and love, first sign into ChatGPT and tell it to write a fake news article on any subject you want. After it generates the article, highlight it, copy it, then jump over to InVideo AI and paste the article into the text box and hit Generate a Video. It will analyze the prompt, then have you choose your audience, the video's look and feel, and the platform you would like it to look like. Hit Continue and your video will be made in a matter of minutes.
Could the timeless mystery of aging be unraveled and, even more intriguingly, reversed?
I was not a fan of the chosen voiceover, so I changed the voiceover to be that of a British male, and InVideo chose David Attenborough. This feels like a copyright violation.
A team of esteemed geneticists. These pioneers in the field of longevity have identified Eternacell as possessing unparalleled regenerative properties.
To change the scene, hit the Edit button. Highlight the scene you want to change, go to the search bar, and search for new scenes. Select the scene you want, then hit Apply Changes.
Was administered to these rodents, and within weeks, signs of youthfulness started to manifest.
Once you are done editing, hit Export. If you upgrade to the paid version, InVideo AI can remove stock watermarks and the company branding at the end of the video. Once the video is done exporting, it will automatically download on your device, and you can now upload your fake video to any site.